This is a 60-watt incandescent light bulb. I'm going to turn it off and on, off, on. Okay, this is a 5-watt LED RGB bulb with remote control. Right now we are at its whitest, purest setting. We can go down back up. Now we can also do red, and then variances of red getting lighter with yellow, back to red. Now we have green, variances of green getting closer to blue, green, then we have our blue, and getting closer to white, white. That's where we started. Now we can also do sequences. We cannot program this to do sequences, but it does have flash going through the main colors. We can do strobe. Not exactly what I would think of strobe, but okay.
Neat.
We can do fade, one of my personal favorites. And then we can do smooth. Okay, I think that pretty much covers it.
Let's see smooth for it.